My name is Richard Viney. I'm a consultant surgeon here at Queen Elizabeth Hospital, and I'm also a senior lecturer at the University of Birmingham. My passion and interests have lied in prostate cancer for over 10 years now, and my research is aimed at developing innovative and new ways of treating prostate cancer patients. This is a family kind of disease. Unfortunately, prostate cancer is a very common disease, affecting 1 in 9 men. The prostate gland is a small gland found at the base of the bladder, and cancer will affect up to 40,000 men here in the UK over the next year, of which over 10,000 will die. My current research programme is looking at heating and cooling the prostate to kill prostate cancer, also delivering drugs that bolster and strengthen the immune system to deliver a secondary vaccination to protect the patient from their prostate cancer in the future. With this clinical trial, we hope to break new ground in the management of prostate cancer, both advanced disease and hopefully in time early disease. One simply cannot underestimate the importance of the support of the alumni in projects like this. These projects make a very real difference, and it's only through their continuing support can these projects occur. Please support prostate cancer research here at the university.